Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, discuss the Windows 10 issue. Bluetooth device paired but not connected. If you've ever experienced the frustration of your Bluetooth not working as expected, you're in the right place. I will show in this video 3 solutions. Let's jump right in. Right-click on Windows Start. Go to Settings. Click on Update and AMP Security. Click on Troubleshoot. Click on Additional Troubleshooters. Click on Bluetooth. Click on Run the Troubleshooter. Click on Next Right. Close it. If it doesn't work here, is the next solution. Click on Windows Start. Go to Settings. Click on Devices. Click on Connected Device. Click on Remove Device. Click on Yes. Click on Add Bluetooth or Other Device. Click on Bluetooth. Click on Bluetooth Device. Click on Done. If it doesn't work here, is the next solution. Search Services. Open Services. Double-click here. Expand Startup Type and select Automatic. Click on Stop. Click on Start. Click on Apply. Click on OK. Double-click here. Expand Startup Type and select Automatic. Click on Stop. Click on Apply. Click on OK. Right-click on Windows Start and restart your PC. I hope this tutorial helped you, so please like, comment, and subscribe.